Hi everybody, I wanted to show you the cigar box guitar that we make in our one-day workshop. It's a 3-string cigar box guitar. It's a slide guitar. We mark off the blues scale, or you can mark off all the frets if you want to. It's a genuine Havana cigar box with a single coil pickup, tone volume controls, 25.5-inch scale. Has quite a robust construction, has the through body laminate piece for extra strength, goes right through the body, comes out this end. So this is what we make, and this is what it sounds like. We change the tone a little bit and just see what that difference that makes. It's a slide guitar as well, of course. So that's what we make.